We'll guide you through how to create a post on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Posts can be a great way of engaging with your subscribers without fully going and posting a video. With them, you could do something like a poll as well, or go and add an image. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. So what you can do is come to the top right and you can press your profile icon, make sure you've got the correct channel selected, switch if needed, and press view your channel at the top of the list. Then you want to scroll down a bit and you want to go and find the option for posts. You can then scroll down and go and see the different things you posted, and at the top it'll go and say what's on your mind. So in here we could go and write what we want to. I could go and put in what's your favorite day? And then you could go and add an image poll, a text poll, a quiz, a video. Let's go and say I wanted to do a text poll. I could click that there. I could add in some options. I could do Saturday, Friday, and go and add in different options I want. I could add more, and you get the idea. There are those different things you can do. And so then when you want, you can click post or press the arrow to the right and you could schedule it. I'll just go and post it now. And that's it. It's now posted and people can go and see it and they can go and vote. But of course, you could just go and do an image poll as well. It's going to be up to you. You can also quickly do this by pressing create in the top right and pressing create post, and you'll be brought here and you can post. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.